What's up, you guys? We got a Lexus nx200 here. This is a 2016 model, and I'm going to show you guys how to replace this wiper blade here. I don't have a new wiper blade, so this is just a tutorial. A lot of people, they go to a dealer or they go to their local mechanic, they want to rip them off, but you can't change this wiper because it doesn't even lift up. But there's a small little trick. Okay, what you want to do is, you see this little back end, you want to put your hand right here. You want to lift this baby from here and here with both hands. Okay? You got to do it at the same time. Okay, so I'm going to put my camera to hold and we're going to do it together. What you want to do is, you want to grab this baby. You see that? And it lifts up. So all I did was grab it and I did this to it. So the small little notches that sit in here, you're just lifting them up and this thing just lifts up. Okay, so pretty much this is what you're doing. Okay, if you take your fingers, same thing on both sides. This is what I'm doing on both sides. And it pops up. After that, we're going to put the camera back a bit. This thing just goes up, and let's zoom up here now. To take off this wiper, first of all, when you're putting a new wiper, make sure you clean this with the Windex or some type of cloth. And after that, what you want to do is you want to just grab this wiper and you're going to just force it off. Okay, that's all you're doing. Okay, you see this oval? This thing is an oval. It's like a squared off on one side. So to put it back in, you're going to start from the same spot. Make sure you do not want to let this go and hit the windshield. We'll break the windshield, the rear window, whatever you want to call it. So this thing snaps in and you close it up. So pretty much you just grab this and you just pull it forward and it just comes off on its own after that. Same thing, you want to start from this position, same angle that it came off at. And once you feel that it went into the slot, okay, once it goes into the slot, you will have to pull a little bit force to it and you're going to lock it up. Okay, this wiper blade goes down. This cover comes down and clicks on. Bada bing, bada boom. That's how easy that was. Thank you for watching my video. You should be able to change this by yourself at home. Don't go to the dealer, pay $90.